Today on my show, I'm gonna go off topic. I'm gonna do a review on Reese's Extreme Blizzard. It's a new thing on the menu. It's the ice cream blizzard or something. If your favorite candy is Reese's Pieces or Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, I recommend it that you should get it at Dairy Queen because I tried the ice cream of the Blizzard and it's really good and awesome. And that's all for my show today. And make sure to comment below of what's your favorite Blizzard you like to get at Dairy Queen and why. And don't forget to subscribe. And that's all from my show today. And see you next time.